So ever since I got my Anandas from HifiMan, I've been really pleased with them, and definitely gives me a different kind of taste in music and a different perspective of sound, being such a large planar magnetic headphones. They fit me pretty well. They've held up also very well. The band is fine. The strap, nothing has really broken or failed except for the pads. And if you guys look a little closer here, we can see it's just flaking off. So there's nothing really wrong with the pad itself. It's just starting to flake on the outside. And this one is almost flaking. Oh, there we go. Yeah, just touch it and it starts to rip apart. And it's starting to shed. And there's basically little black dots going everywhere. And that's not a good thing. So the original pads have like this polyester kind of finish. But to replace these, I went ahead and got something a little different. So these are memory foam cushions with Elite Velar hybrids, what they're called. So, and these are direct replacements for anything with this type, like the Anandas, the Aryas, Editionx, the HE1K, stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a closer look. So the biggest difference here is we're gonna have this very velour texture fuzzy finish here compared to the original polyester style finish. We still keep the breathable leather here, and then here we also have, seems like similar kind, hopefully this one will hold up a little more than a year, and then clips, and we also have a fabric in between. Now on mine, I actually did a modification where I stuck some foam in here, and this is to help regulate those ultra piercing highs. But let's go ahead and take this cushion off. So what you're gonna do is just pull on it and it's gonna start clipping out. Just, you know, be careful how you pull it. You don't want to pull too hard. Yeah, this thing is actually peeling where it was sticking to the body itself here. You guys can see I can literally just peel it off. So whatever material is on here, and these are original by the way, they don't last very long. It's only been a year or so, maybe a little more, but it's pretty crazy how they melted literally onto the base of the phones here. But yeah, with the original one, we can see there's a little mesh here and mesh on the other side, and the original pad just has a hole in it. And so I did insert these to help regulate sound, but these new ones actually have this very fine mesh already in front of them, which might actually help with what I'm looking for. And if not, I can still stick these in between probably and still be able to clip it on as it's all, you know, soft. But I'm going to try it without these and see how they sound. So putting these things on should be as simple as just clicking them on. They just grab to the outer lip here. Now the only thing to keep in mind is that they're thicker on the back side and thinner on the front. So they are, you know, designed specifically. But yeah, we're just simply going to line it up and then just kind of click down on it. You can see there's a gap there. So we'll just click it. But yeah, you guys can see this memory foam really has a nice feel to it. And here you guys can see the difference between the two. So this is the new one, and that's the original one that has the polyester finish. So still pretty good finish. It's soft, but I think this is going to be so much nicer. And yeah, you guys can see these things falling apart, literally. But this one didn't seem like it's stuck at all. Grab our other one. Very nice quality. I love the stitching. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's very good and on par with OEM kind of quality. And I'm just hoping that they will last. But technically not a bad price to pay, especially if you use yours a lot. And then, you know, they do get dirty over time too, just from usage. So it might be a good idea to change them anyway. But yeah, simple as that. The new ones just click in perfectly. Nothing resisting or not lining up. It's literally a perfect fit. And there we go. We got our new ones on and they look super cozy. And the finish is very nice and soft. So I'm pretty excited to put my Anandas back into rotation and keep enjoying them. And if I do want to adjust the sound a bit, I could still use my old foams that I cut out. And this is just regular foam that came in one of the packages of headphones. It's not very dense. Let me grab a light so you guys can see. So, you know, it's got medium density to it. So sound still goes through pretty easily, but it really helps cut out the higher screechy sounds if you're sensitive to planar magnetics. So I just found the sound more pleasant with these, but I'm going to try it with the new pads without them and keep enjoying the Anandas until I can get my hands on some Aryas, the organic Aryas, as those are my next natural upgrade to these, as I learned that I cannot live without the HifiMans anymore and the sound signature they produce, even coming from Sennheiser HD 600s, 650s, 660s, all that stuff. So Focals and other brands here and there really love the uniqueness of planar magnetics on the HifiMan. So yeah, if you guys need good pads, check out these with the velour. They have different styles, the polyesters, and they even have the sheepskins, stuff like that. So links in the description. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.